framing in the face a little bit. You don't want it to just drift into no man's land down here. You want to have something there. Otherwise it's not complete. It doesn't look full. I see so many guys, or so many people doing SMP, they do the hairline and they kind of go around this way and they just stop there, and the direction isn't with the hairline here. So if this direction goes back like that and you leave this all open, you actually look more bald than you did before, in my opinion. So it's very important to get this side, get the angle correct, and fill it in. But be careful with the depth, because this skin is much more delicate than the skin right up here. So this is not all the same skin, it's the same head, but definitely different areas are going to react differently to the needle.